back to a new video. I am so excited about today because I am finally giving my balcony a makeover. We have been living here for I think about 3 months and we have not done anything with the balcony, but now that the weather is getting a little bit better, I definitely want to focus on the balcony and getting it all cozy and stuff. So today is a day that we are going to start this process, which will be a long process because I just ordered the furniture. But I did want to start this video and show you guys a before so that you can see the transformation and everything like that. So I am very excited about today's video. I love makeovers, I love home decor, as you guys know. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what the balcony looks like now. Okay, so when we open up this door, this is what the balcony looks like, and as you can see, it is just very plain and basic. We did add this railing, but to be honest, that was kind of a fail. It is still very see-through, which was not what we were going for, but for now we will leave that. And then for the furniture, I'm just using this old stuff that I got from my parents' house, which is fine for now, but it is not very comfy. And then we also use the balcony for our trash, which of course we want to stop doing because this is a bad habit. And I want to add a lounge area right here. Basically, this is not a huge balcony. As you can see, it is about, I don't know, 4 or 5 square meters, I think. But yeah, this is a before view, and I am very excited to show you guys the after. But there is already one thing that we can do today, and that is actually add some flowers. So my mom picked up these flowers for me and I got the baskets from IKEA. So that is something that we can do today, and then we will just have to wait until the furniture arrives basically. We did get an umbrella already, but I don't have an umbrella stand, so it doesn't really make sense to open it right now. But yeah, for today we can add the flowers, which will make a huge difference already. Lying here, so hear me out. So let's run, run, run. Pull me in and take me out. Let's run, run, run around. Hot city haze, cool summer skies. Alright, so as you can see behind me, I just put the flowers, which already, alright, it is very bright in here, but as you can see, we just added the flowers and it looks way prettier already. But yeah, I will have to come back and check in with you guys later when we have more furniture and stuff that arrives.
Let's do this, guys.